But I'm out, and I am covered rain-wise. I have my poncho on. Yeah. Hopefully you can hear me with the headphones. I'm not all covered up. You might hear a little bit of the raincoat. But I can feel my legs getting wet already. But I don't have any. I just have sweatpants on. That's a hiker mistake. But we're walking. Do it anyways. Do it anyway. Let's get my face wet. See, this is when I almost ordered an umbrella from Gossamer Gear. They had a umbrella and a water bottle holder. It was like a bundle, which would go with my Mariposa pack. And I might order it yet. I don't know. By the time I get to it, probably the bundle won't be a bundle anymore. But anyway, this is Friday, March 20th. Happy spring. I guess it would have to rain in the spring, right? Let's see what we can see behind us. We can see lots of water. That's a cornfield. It's now a potential rice field. That's a joke. Anyway, so yeah. Lots of thoughts running through my head. Today is Friday. It is about 5 o'clock. Probably about 5:15 actually. On day 17. I'm doing it anyway. And truly, I'm not really getting wet. I can feel a little bit of the rain on my pants, but other than that, it's not too bad. I should have fit it in earlier. I could have actually fit it in without the rain had I been a little quicker on the draw, but I had things I needed to do and I wanted to get a video out, and tomorrow I'm booked up for a long part of the day, so fitting in editing and fitting in other things that I have to get done, plus doing tomorrow's stuff, I had to compromise. So I'm walking in the rain. But I have on my REI pack poncho. So this poncho, actually, if you look back in any of the videos or posts from when I did go on the AT, I was wearing this poncho when I quit. And it really wasn't raining, it was just a misty. I didn't want all my stuff to get wet. And I have my gloves on. These are my Playtex dish gloves. Keep my hands dry. And I have my fanny pack, wearing it as a shoulder strap, and my water bottle hooked to the strap underneath this. to make so that I have that on me. I really do enjoy these walks. I'm trying really hard to change some things and to stay motivated. It's funny, in between walks, I always think, well, I should talk about this, or I should talk about that, or I should talk about this. And then when it comes to the videos, I don't remember what I thought I was going to talk about. And if either of my sisters are watching, I'm sure you're laughing. But this is the one thing that you'll have to, you know, when you're out there hiking, you'll have to put up with. Even if it's not a long distance hike and it's just a, 4 or 5 day hike and it rains. This is it. If you're on a trail, you can abort. On a shorter trail, you probably could abort faster. And I could walk 10 miles if I had to get to a break in the trail. But I'm hoping I don't have to. I'm hoping I can adjust. In the last couple walks, mainly the one that I walked in the woods, having a little tenderness in my knees. It's not pain. It's not something that I'm going to stop walking for. But I am going to do exercise. And I thought maybe I would do a video while I'm doing the exercises. I've kind of researched some, and I took some from the therapist that I go to, or I went to, taking some of his exercises. So I thought that I would take maybe a walk day instead of walking that day and do the exercises, or maybe do the warm-up exercises and then walk later that day. It depends on how long I have for the day. I don't want to make I already have some videos out there that are over a half hour, and I don't see anybody watching me babble for over a half hour. So I'd like to do it in 2 parts. So maybe it'll just be an extra video in the 100-day walk. Instead of being a 100-day walk day, whatever, I do a 100-day walk prep or something like that. So, yeah. It's good that it's not cold, because I think this rain and the cold, I would be cold. I don't even have any long underwear or anything on. It's just, I'm just kind of here. I did wear my puffy and I have my Light Heart Gear hoodie on and a t-shirt underneath that. But again, it's really not that cold. Oh, look at the water coming off the field. Oh, you can't see it because I'm not turned around. There it is. It's just draining off the field right there. We were up here the other day and there was no water. Sorry, I gotta keep pushing my glasses up. My hat pushes my glasses down. I need to go get some different glasses that don't have such wide corners. They're wide. My hat rides on it. I need something that'll tuck under my hat. Really, my face isn't getting wet at all. My glasses aren't getting wet. If the wind started blowing, I started blowing it toward me or across me, then I would definitely probably be getting my face wet. But with this getup, I don't know what I would do with the umbrella, because I wouldn't be able to hook it if I had this on. But if I had my raincoat, I'd be able to hook it up. But it might be better just to carry this and not worry about the umbrella. Although I do really like my purple raincoat. And I don't think I could find a purple pack cover. Okay. I'm not sure how far I want to walk. I actually feel pretty good. I almost want to keep walking. What do you think about the music in the last couple videos? Is it easier to watch the videos farther in when they have a little bit of a beat rather than my jabbering? Ooh, that sounded funny. That sounded funny. Day 17, guys. Day 17. It seems like I just started this whole shebang. Apparently not. Looks like I'm getting some fog inside my cover. Oh, that kind of cleared it out. You wouldn't think, oh, maybe it's just on the outside. I don't know. The phone heats up a little bit inside this well house. Is it well house? Yeah, it's well house waterproof phone carrier. It's amazing. It's amazing. It saves my phone. It's a little big. I mean, as far as if you wanted to put it in your pocket, it's a little big, but it works good. We'll have to go over my gear again at some point too. Even though we're just walking, maybe a gear video would be pretty cool. So I tried, I have these new headphones. They're TO5 shocks. And I don't know if I can, let me see, you can see them. They're the bone conduction. So my ears are open so I can hear traffic and what have you. And the sound seems to come through pretty good with it. It's a lot better than the microphone, the separate microphone. And it's Bluetooth connected, so it goes right into the phone. I don't have to worry about the sound carrying through the plastic. But also I don't have to worry about losing the little microphone thing, because that was kind of a little tough. I couldn't figure out what to do with that. The creeks are really running. There's no snow left out here. Very little. Not like there was on that handicap trail we were on. That's a new part of the road for us. The farther I go, the less likely it is I'm going to walk back. But that's okay, because I'm not doing distance. I'm doing getting out there, doing it even though it's pouring rain, doing it even if it's sweltering hot, you know, which we haven't had yet, but I'm sure we will. 100 days is a long days, a long time. So, and I do have to let you all know that there could very well possibly be more missed days. I'm doing my best to fit them in. And if I miss a day, it's not because I didn't want to. It is because I could not. Oh, look at that. It's foaming. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can. I don't know. I'm sure you can't hear it, but it's moving. Moving and shaking, just like we're moving and shaking. So I'm right in the middle of a road, right absolutely in the middle of a road. This is a corner. It's a Y. We're gonna slide over there. It's kind of nice to walk straight and not have to walk back, which is the one nice thing about a trail. If you're going point to point, you start the trail and then you stop at a different place, and either have a shuttle pick you up, or you've parked your car there. I have the convenience of calling for a ride. There's quite a creek on this side over the bank. Can't really see it from here. It's down there quite a ways, but it does come back up around down here. So it's hard to decide, because in my mind everything I say is important. Nobody laugh. So when I go to edit, I don't know what to edit out, because like I said, everything I say is important. You guys really need to hear it, so I don't want to cut it out. But when I make a whoopsie, like I did before, I have to edit that out. So sometimes my important stuff gets edited out. I'm so full of baloney. But I certainly do love hiking. I keep looking over the guardrails. People throw stuff out their car or whichever. But I see old tires. I see a barrel. I see PVC pipe, shingles from a roof or something, siding, beer cans. There's no way I can pick all that stuff up. Not while I'm walking around anyway. Where would I carry it all? There's some snow on the other side of the bank down there. It's only on that side of the creek. It's on this side of the creek. It's all melted away. Well, guys, I think I'm going to end this video and our walk for today. And we will do another walk tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to try to do some exercises. And yeah, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Tomorrow, woohoo, for day 17. Rain or shine, we got the rain, but we sure did enjoy ourselves. Everyone have a very, very blessed day today, tomorrow, and always.